Khubor Sanshar ka East Jaintia Hills District ki bakan thop yuk Deputy Commissioner Manish Kumar, but Superintendent of Police Vikash Kumar. Haka khandai tarik rampang kira lej Hajir hakmat ka yeng kashari Meghalaya High Court halor ka jing bethei dynamite hakram do yong haka san tarik rampang hamin sngat thang sko. Kani ka jing bethei dynamite kala bam ar ko nyongut ki min sim breu bat kala pen mensau khandai ngut kat kum ka Khubor balayo na ka te ka jaka. Kayeng kashari Meghalaya High Court kala shimkhya ya kani ka jingja bas ngoshir khai but daladi hi klam dadan kanu ka kunhun ka ban FIR kala Khot Hajir kini ki arngut ki kli no sanshar jong ka East Jaintia Hills District ban batai bat jubab hakmat kinong bishar ya ka daw ka bala penlong ya kani ka jingja haka santarik rampang nalor ba ka National Green Tribunal kala khang ban ti do yong par knai nadu usnam Hajar khat saw. Empat tip ki ki jinga kran ber ki juba bala clay da UDC but SP hakmat ka ying bishar.
Can tell us what exactly happened in the court?
In connection with the illegal coal mining blast that happened on the 5th of February, and the Honorable High Court had taken the cognizance, and the DC and SP of East Jaintia Hills were called for personal appearance. In that connection, we had come to the Honorable High Court, and we'll be, since the matter is sub judice, at this stage, we cannot say much. We'll be doing our bit that is required, and search and rescue operation is still ongoing. The investigation in those cases, in the case, is ongoing. We have made arrest, and it is going in right direction, and I'm sure that we'll bring it to the logical conclusion.
When will be the next appearance in the court?
We'll be getting the order by evening, so after that only we'll be able to say that which date appearance will be there.
So search and rescue operation, is it over? Have you stopped the rescue operation?
No, it is still ongoing as of now. Yeah, yesterday also it was there. We could not recover any body yesterday, and today also the search and rescue operation is still ongoing.
So, how long are you planning to continue with this operation?
It will depend on the teams that are deployed there in the area, SDRF, special rescue team that are there. At the same time, we will take the considered decision subsequently, because we have to see the terrain and everything.